Welcome, plant enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of papaya plant. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also fascinating to grow. Papaya plant, scientifically named Carica papaya. The papaya plant boasts a singular growth pattern, characterized by a solitary, towering stem that emerges proudly from the center of a cluster of large, deeply lobed leaves. Its leaves, with their vibrant green hue and intricate veining, form a canopy of shade, providing shelter for the delicate fruit that hangs beneath. And what treasures lie within these emerald orbs? Bursting with flavor and nutrients, they are a testament to the plant's abundant generosity. But what happens when the papaya plant reaches towering heights, making its fruit seemingly out of reach? Fear not, for nature has a solution. With a simple pruning technique at the top, the papaya plant reveals its remarkable adaptability. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, the papaya plant regenerates, sprouting multiple trunks that bear the promise of future harvests. Pruning the papaya plant is a crucial step in transforming it into a multi-trunk tree. The best time to apply the multi-trunk technique is when the papaya plant is young and actively growing. Older, established plants may not respond as well to this technique. Follow these detailed instructions to cut off the top of the plant and encourage new growth. Select a cutting point. Carefully examine the main stem of the papaya plant and choose a cutting point. Ideally, this should be located just above a healthy leaf node where new growth can emerge. Avoid cutting too close to the base of the plant, as this may weaken the structure. Prepare your tools. Ensure your pruning shears or sharp knife are clean and sharp. If desired, you can disinfect the tools using a suitable disinfectant to minimize the risk of spreading diseases between plants. Make the cut with your chosen cutting point identified. Carefully cut through the main stem using a swift and clean motion. Aim for a diagonal cut to promote quick healing and minimize the risk of water pooling on the surface. By following this method, you can transform a single-trunk papaya plant into a magnificent multi-trunk papaya tree, with an abundance of fruit within your reach. And there you have it, a single-trunk papaya plant transformed into a multi-trunk papaya tree, a treasure of tropical fruits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting plant content. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!